Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making whipping cream pound cake. For our ingredients, you need salted butter, sugar, eggs, cake flour, heavy whipping cream, and vanilla extract. You want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. You want to combine sugar, butter until creamy in a large bowl. You want to add your eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. You want to make sure that you shift your cake flour, add in the flour and whipping cream alternating. Stir in your vanilla and pour it into your pan. You want to bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes or 1 hour and 30 minutes. You want to remove your cake from the pan. You want to let it cool in your pan for about 10 minutes. Then you want to transfer it to a wire rack until it's cool. Then you want to add your frosting or your cake glaze. For the icing, we made maple glaze. You want 2 cups of sifted powdered sugar, a half stick of butter, melted, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and your flavoring extract that you desire. We have made whipping cream pound cake. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.